Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to print notes in Evernote. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Printing notes from Evernote is a straightforward process depending on the platform you are using. Basically, printing notes is kind of really easy if you're using your desktop version or the Evernote app for Windows and Mac. Because all I have to do is log into your account, and obviously you know how to print that on that method, and also using the web version. But on the mobile device, it's kind of different, and you can only print the notes here if you are using an iOS. All right, how? All you have to do is open the Evernote app on your iOS device or your iPhone. For example, in my case, I'm going to be choosing a notebooks. I'm going to be choosing the first notebook, and this is the note that I wanted to print. How we can print it is kind of easy. All I have to do is go to the top right corner where you can see the three dots icon. Hover down below where you can find the note, and all I have to do is click that option that says print note. It's kind of easy. What will happen is it would be forwarded to this section. All right, so you have now an option to put in how many copies. For example, like 20. It's up to you, right? 20. And then for the paper size, you can select any of the following: A3, A4, B5, legal, letter, and tabloid. It's up to you. All right. For the orientation, you can choose from any of the following. Is it going to be a portrait or a landscape? Right. Scaling is depending on your preference, maybe 69. All right. For the layout, you can choose from the paper sheet. Is it going to be a pages per sheet, 1, 2 until 16, or you can have an option to print as booklet. All right. You also have an option to flip horizontally if you want that. I'm not going to do that. And of course, at the border, you can put in a single hairline, single thin line, double hairline, and double thin line. It's up to you. And then from there, all you're going to do is click the print option. You see the forward section here. Now, all you have to do is choose the printer that is associated with your iPhone. It's kind of easy, and it's up to you how to connect that. Now, I said earlier that it's kind of easy for iOS because in Android, now again, for Android, it's kind of different. If you hover to your notebooks, again, I'm going to try to print something like this one right here. In iOS, it's kind of easy. For example, this one right here. I'm going to print this. Try to print this. In top right corner, there is like a 3 dots, but there isn't like an option for the print, right? So what you can do is just try to screenshot this. And then when you screenshot that, you might want to go to a different platform, attach it to like a document or to Microsoft Word and try to print it from there. Or what you can do, share it to your maybe client, or if you're working in a collaborative environment, you're working with multiple freelancers, enter their name and their email address. You want to make sure that they have access. All right, anyone can link and edit, and then let them print that on your behalf. All right, so these are going to be some of your options. Again, it's easy to print this on iOS or iPhone and even on desktop, and the web version for Android. Unfortunately, it's kind of really hard. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.